When I talk about cotton, cotton is always demanded and very pretty, different demanded printed sarees we can see. But at the same time, if I talk about cotton fabrics, we do have a Malmal cotton, Chanderi cotton, Dola cotton, Garhwal cotton and Khadi cotton, linen cotton. All these varieties are fast moving, and if I talk about in a business, these collections are very profitable collections with a business. So that's why today I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. I'm going to show you the cotton varieties, the exclusive varieties which are come from Dola cotton and the Garhwal cotton. These collections, if I talk about the customer friendly budget, around 250 to 300, which starts around in the category of the 600 range of varieties at only the customer friendly budget. So my friends, today I'm going to show you the all exclusive latest collections with the color charts. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, and quickly cotton resellers, so wholesale varieties, these collections quickly add into your business to make your customers happy. Every saree you have a color charts, and especially teachers, professors, lecturers, you can also have these kind of collections, 20,000, you can share with your friends, family, friends also. So let's see the samples. So these collections, and when you are doing an online purchase, you can call to the IVR, just directly press 2 for the online to connect the English executives. So first pattern, you have a beautiful Garhwal cotton with the beige green with the leafy printed with the green color combination of the border with the beautiful lovely sari which is Garhwal. You have a color charts over here. If I talk about the next jamun color with the matte pattu, you have a batik based unique batik print you can see over here. This sari also very pretty color. So in this also you have a color charts. And coming to the next mini border with the gapless borders, you have a golden matte border, multi border, and you have a stylish leafy pattern, sky blue color with the beautiful navy blue color combination with the borderless sarees. You have a matte look collections. You have in this also you have a unique varieties. If I talk about multi traditional way of look, so rose milk color with lavender color combination, the rangoli print based two-tone shade. This is also a Garhwal cotton. All these unique varieties you can have at your business with only customer friendly budget, and these collections are having a high ratio in the market. And talking about the evergreen bandhani color, which is dark red with Mahalakshmi traditional border. With the heavy borders, you have a beautiful rangoli design with the batik and bandhani combinations. You can also purchase in this varieties. If I talk about the formal official color to official wear, grey color with the mango leaf with white color combination, you have a matte pattu border. So these kind of office wear sarees also you can purchase. If I talk about this saree, benefits are easy to wash, easy to carry and weightless, not required any press or iron. If I talk about the next saree, which is a mehendi color, very pretty color, beautiful matte look combination with the border, gap borders, you can see the satin based matte look combination. You have these kind of varieties, and you have a unique print with the onion pink color, very pretty, and casual bold floral printed, the stylish casual look of the pattu border with the onion pinkish. So these kind of sarees, unique design, unique color with gap borders with the borderless sarees. You have a pattu border, Mahalakshmi, multi-color, you have a matte look, you have a leafy pattern, cover printed. All kind of this unique designs varieties are at 250, 280, 300, around approximately up to 600 range of collections you can purchase only from the Kesaria manufacturers. The entire section is keep coming and going, the colors which are the Dola cotton, Garhwal cotton, Malmal cotton, Khadi cotton. The stock is going and the stock is coming, new varieties from the factory. Why? Because the entire South, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka, these collections are high demanded at the market, and people are having, especially working women, working ladies, and especially even housewives also, to observe, and for the south weather it is very comfortable to wear these sarees. Hope you enjoyed these kind of varieties. So quickly add into your business before getting out of stock. When you're calling online, the numbers are scrolling on the screen. Directly press 2 for English to communicate with online executives. So no need to worry about the languages. You have English 2, Tamil 5, and press Telugu 6 for Kannada 8. These are the options for the South, to connect with the IVR online team. So based on your requirement languages, Kesaria is supporting you to video calling and online purchase. When you're doing visit purchase, Doriwala Square building opposite to Surat Railway Station, just 3 minutes walkable distance. No need to worry about the brokerage or the people, or no need to worry to take an auto. So these collections you can quickly, before getting out of stock, please place an order. Enjoy these collections at your business and margin. So next video we'll meet. So don't forget to share your name and city in the comments. And if you're watching this channel first time, follow this channel for the regular product updates and share the link with everyone. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting me. Take care. Bye-bye, my friends.